Okay, this is the introduction to the component called a relay. That's what this is. This is called a relay. It has two rows of pins, so this is a dual inline pin device. So dip, just like the switch. This goes on the middle of the breadboard. Also, if you notice, in between the pins is a little bit of space, but there's one set in particular that have more space than the others. That indicates that this down here is the bottom of the device. So I'm going to flip it over. Another way to tell what the bottom is, you can see this tiny little dot right there. That's the top. All right, so I'm going to put it on the breadboard in the middle of the breadboard. Okay. Your introductory circuit, not your apprentice circuit, but your introduction to this device only requires the relay and a switch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hook up the switch like this. I want the switch to control the power supply. So I'm going to connect these like this. So now when I push the switch, I'm going to direct the power to the bottom of the relay. And what's going to come out of the bottom left side of the relay is this right here. And I'm going to put that to ground. Okay, now if you see in the diagram that I've included, you can see that this connects to some sort of coil in the middle. Okay, we'll get back to this in just a second. All right, so let's keep moving. If I now press the switch, you should hear a click. Oh, my power supply came out. Okay, so hopefully you can hear that loud enough on your end. It should sound like some clicking is coming from inside the relay. All right, so if we look at the diagram again, what's happening is the switch is coming, the current is coming in from this end, and it's going through this coil inside, and then it's going to ground. Well, when you run electricity through a coil, when you run electric current through a coil, it creates a magnetic field. That magnetic field is causing this internal switch to switch. Inside it's got, over here, it's got two actually single pole double throw switches. And it's actually the relay, that coil, that's causing the switch to change positions. We can use this for all kinds of useful purposes. But for now, we're going to focus on our apprentice circuit. So that's the next video.